Hi, good morning everybody. So we're heading home today and we're doing some roadside attraction type things. I wanted to show you guys something. There's a clock here in Tuscaloosa and it's got gargoyles all over it. So I wanted to share that with you because I thought it was really cool because most of y'all know that gargoyles are meant for protection. So if you have a gargoyle, it's meant to protect you from evil. So this is outside this bank. Show you, and then you walk around it. It has 4, so that means there's 1 on each corner. So yeah, I thought that was kind of neat. I've never seen a clock like that with the gargoyles. So there's some other stuff I'm going to show you guys also today. Hi everybody. So I wanted to share something with you. We also I showed you the clock with the gargoyle on it. So I'm going to walk over here. There's a park and it has the world's largest kaleidoscope in it. It has the world's largest kaleidoscope in it. And it was a working kaleidoscope. So we are going to walk over here and check this out. There's a bowling center over there. So yeah, we're going to kind of do, on our way home today, we're going to kind of do roadside oddities, all different kinds of different roadside stuff. So we're going to stop here, and then down the road a little piece is, back behind me is some helicopters and stuff. And then there's supposed to be, if I can find them, I'm not sure where they are, they're supposed to be hay people. So I'm going to try to find those also, if I can find them. So let's come over here and let's check out the world's largest kaleidoscope. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. We've had a kind of a cool weekend. Okay, so right here, I gave you a little free library book. Okay, so here it is. Here's the world's largest working kaleidoscope. This kaleidoscope was erected in 2018 by Eric Nubb, aluminum, glass, and plexiglass. Looks like this. It comes around. Let's see if we can figure out how to make it work. Hold on. Okay. Oh, it does work. It does work. I don't know if we can, guys can look inside there. Look, can you see? Ready? So how cool is that, guys? We get to use the world's largest kaleidoscope. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you guys. Okay, so right next, a little bit down from the road, from the kaleidoscope, is like a little U.S. Army medical thing. It's got the different kinds of, it's called medical department, and over his U.S. Army medical flight helicopter. As you walk in here, you see all this. You got a walkway here, and it tells you the gate. These gates are a replica of the gates of Northern Central Hospital of U.S. Army that operated on the site during World War II in 1947 and 1952. Was temporary home to the medical center while DCH was under construction. And then you come over here, and it's called a name list. We got, it tells you everything out here. So if we walk, let's see, if we go this way, you have a memorial thing that goes straight up. And then you come out here. This is the Battle Cross. Battle Cross World War I, 1914 and 1918. And then you come over here. Battle Cross in World War II. And then here's a U.S. Navy plane. This is a battle cross from the Korean War, 50 to 53. And this is a battle cross from the Vietnam War, 1955 to 1975. And then this one is a battle cross from the Gulf War from 1990 and 1991, from Afghanistan and the Iraq War. And then you come around here and you see the U.S. Navy plane. And then you kind of walk around. It's got like a little walkway here. So you keep walking. And it says, this beautiful 70-inch flagpole platform was a gift to the Tuscaloosa Veteran Memorial Park by the following, and it tells you who gifted it. And then you have the honor wall of veterans over there, where you're going to go to. And then you come over here, and you have a U.S. Air Force like Jeep type thing. This is called Willy's Jeep. In 1940, the U.S. Army put out a call to the automotive manufacturer to produce a fast, lightweight, all-terrain vehicle. The answer came in the form of this Willy MB. The Jeep was instrumental in the World War II and the Korean War and the Vietnam War. And they decorated the color of the Air Force. He's over here enjoying this whole little thing over here. I told him you were enjoying this whole little thing over here. Okay, so this looks like some kind of machine gun thingy. I'm not really sure what that is. Let's see what it says. Okay, gun from the USS Tuscaloosa, 5-inch, 25 caliber dual-purpose secondary artillery gun. Okay. So this is the Veterans Wall, Memorial Wall. It has all kinds of names from missing in action, and it comes on around like this. All these names. And it continues to go all the way around. And then when you come back through here, a place to sit. And it says, this whole thing was dedicated to all the men and women wounded in all the wars. My stone is red for the bloodshed, they say. The medal I bear is for my country, way to show they care. If I could be seen by all mankind, maybe peace will come in my lifetime. And that's for the combat wounded erected. And then you have this thing here. And it's a French 75mm field haze. The 1916 gun was used by the American Expeditionary Force in World War I as a part of the horse-drawn During the war, American forces were loaned guns, planes, and other equipment from the other French arsenal. And you have this big tank, this huge tank, big army tank. And this is an M60A3 TTX medium tank. So what is that? That is a massive tank. And then you walk over here and you see the medic helicopter here. Big medic copter. And it says Huey, Bale UFC manufactured Bale aircraft for that. Okay, everybody, so that was the Tuscaloosa Memorial Center, the memorial site. We're going to start traveling on home, and I'm going to stop and see if I can find some more different roadside attractions to share with you guys to add. And I will see you whenever we make another stop. Hi everybody, so I wanted to show you something. I thought this was really cool. We are in a place called Forkland, Alabama. Hold on a second. Okay, Forkland, Alabama. And as you come in to Forkland, Alabama, on the side of the road, there is, and hold on, I'm going to show you. Okay. First, it starts off with this black cat. Then you have this, and you have this coconut tree. And then you come in here, around here, you have Snoopy in the wood stalks. Got a little bird up there. And then you come in here and it has first an electrical mower. First electrical mower. And then you have this mailbox and this holding the mailbox. And then you have this cool turtle. Over there's a Tin Man. We're going to walk over there. We're going to do some more walking. It's all out here. If you walk this way. Okay, so then we're going to walk. And then you have this, looks like satellite dish like thing. This is really cool. And you have this ET type thing. Look, ET. So then you walk a little bit further out here. You have a, looks like the 3 pigs. Some kind of helicopter right there. You have that. Look at that. And you have that pig. And then you have a rabbit. And all this is made of hay. And right in front of you, hold on, is a big dragon. And then my favorite, we're going to walk over there to him, is the big Tin Man. Because I want to show you. And then there's the big bird out there. So here is the, it starts there. Look at that. And then here's my favorite. The Tin Man. This is called Jim Bird's art. Some guy named Jim Bird did all of this roadside stuff. Look how cool this is. I bet that thing is 20 foot tall. He's a Tin Man. Look at that. Then there's a chicken. And then you walk out here a little bit further. Over here is Big Bird. There's a ship. This one looks like a caterpillar. This one looks like a big, huge spider. How cute is that? And then this is like a bee. He has got some really cool stuff. Whoever this is very creative. This to me looks like a big foot. See? This is not sure what that is. That looks like a big angry worm. And this actually looks like a hippopotamus with glasses laying on the ground. And it just keeps going for days. I don't know. I'm gonna walk out here to the Big Bird. This is kind of cool. That one's broke. I'm not really sure. But this one I'm gonna say is gonna be a deer. This is a big boat. It's got a boat and fish and hay around it. And then here is the big bird. Who don't love Big Bird? This is really cool. And there's Big Bird. He's made of tires and some kind of wire. Look at that. Okay guys, so that was Jim Bird's art, roadside attraction art. He's very, very creative, whoever he is. And whoever he is, we can tell him thank you for displaying his wonderful art for everybody to see. We're going to keep walking. I'm going to keep driving, really, between here and home to see what else we can find. And if I can find anything else between here and there, I'll be sure to share it with you guys. I'm hoping you guys are enjoying the road trip this weekend. I've already started posting some of the videos, putting up pretty soon, so you should be seeing some of those. So we'll see what else we can get into, and I'll keep filming and keep sharing.